The Carroll Stream Rhino CS190ESB18 horizontal shaft gas engine with electric and recoil start is a masterpiece of engineering that promises enhanced performance, durability, and efficiency for any task at hand. With a 420cc displacement, this 16-horsepower gas engine is a force to be reckoned with. This powerful yet compact 4-stroke OHV single-cylinder engine is supported by an 18-amp charging coil, providing reliable and consistent energy supply at all times. Equipped with both electric and pull start, it offers convenience and ease of use, catering to a wide range of users whether you are a seasoned professional or a do-it-yourself enthusiast. The 1-inch diameter, 1/4-inch keyway shaft further adds to its versatility, enabling it to fit a variety of equipment, from hydraulic pumps, power washers, and air compressors to log splitters and go-karts, making it the perfect replacement engine for many brands. The CS190ESB18 is also completely rebuildable, making it an ideal upgrade from lower-end competitor models. The Carroll Stream Motor Company Rhino CS190ESB18 combines power, efficiency, and ease of use in a compact and durable package. It's a testament to Carroll Stream's commitment to delivering high-quality and reliable power solutions to its customers. Want to know more? Be sure to subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. For full stock listings, visit carrollstream.com by clicking on the link below. If you have any questions or wish to place an order, give us a call at 888-208-2088 and talk to one of our knowledgeable professionals. Together, we can get your engines revving.